In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give answer feedback in Google Forms. As most of us know, Google Forms is a fantastic tool for creating quizzes, surveys, and interactive forms, allowing you to gather information effectively. However, one of its most underutilized features is providing feedback for answers, a function that can significantly enhance the learning experience or give insight to respondents. So, let's dive into how it's done. To begin, you'll first want to open Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering the URL forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll either create a new form or open an existing one where you want to add answer feedback. It's an intuitive process, but if it's your first time, take a moment to explore the platform to get more comfortable. Next, select the form you want to work with. This can be specifically crucial if you're already balancing multiple projects. Knowing exactly what you're working on will save time and prevent any mix-up with unintended changes. Once you have the correct form open, switch to the quiz mode if you haven't already. This step is essential, as answer feedback is only applicable when your form is set up as a quiz. To do this, click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the upper right corner, and navigate to the Quizzes tab. Toggle the Make This a Quiz option to enable quiz mode and then hit Save. With your quiz mode activated, click back to the form's main editor. Now you're ready to add your questions. For each question you wish to provide feedback, navigate to it and select the Answer Key option at the bottom of the question box. Here's where the magic begins. You'll not only set the correct answer for multiple choice or checkbox questions, but you'll also see an Add Answer Feedback link. Clicking this link will open a window where you can customize feedback for both correct and incorrect responses. When crafting your feedback, be as clear and helpful as possible. For correct answers, a simple confirmation with a brief explanation or additional reinforcement of the concept can be beneficial. For incorrect answers, consider providing an explanation of why the answer is incorrect and guide the respondent toward the correct reasoning or information. This approach can transform learning from merely getting the right answer to understanding the concept thoroughly. Once you've set up feedback for each question, remember to save your changes. Feel free to preview the form using the eye icon at the top right to ensure everything looks and functions as you intended. Testing your feedback can also provide insights into how your respondents might experience the form. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to enhancing your Google Forms with detailed answer feedback. By using this feature, you not only increase the value of your forms, but also provide a richer, more informative experience for those who take it. Whether you're teaching a small class, gathering feedback in a corporate environment, or conducting research, this small addition can make a significant impact.